We'll guide you through how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Adobe Acrobat Reader is one of my favorite PDF readers out there. It allows you to go and open PDFs and go and view them. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it, and it is free. So to go and get started with this, what we need to do is we do need to go and open up a web browser. So we can just go and use Microsoft Edge as that already comes on our computer. You can press search at the bottom if you can't see it, but the icon for it is this one here. When you hover over it, it'll go and say Microsoft Edge. Click on it and it's going to go and open up. Just go and wait for it to go and load. Now what we can then do is we can go and click in the address bar at the top in the search bar, and you can go and type in Adobe, I'll turn off my caps lock, Adobe Acrobat Reader, like so, and we'll then go and search for it. Now we can come down and you want to come and find the official Adobe site. You'll see some these results at the top, but you need to come down and you can find download Adobe Acrobat Reader free PDF viewer, and you'll see the address is adobe.com. This indicates it's the official Adobe site. So you can go and click here like so. We'll just go and wait for it to go and load. And you can see here it's the world's most trusted free PDF viewer. So what you can do is go and press on the download button just here, and you want to go and click on it. And now it's going to go and download the install here. So I've had this pop up here about saving it. So I'm going to press save as. We'll just go and put it onto our downloads and press save. Just go and let it complete. It won't go and take too long as this is just the installer. We've now gone and downloaded the installer, so we can come out of our web browser. You can close it in the top right. And what you can do is you can go down and you can go and find your file explorer at the bottom and press downloads to the left. And you want to go and find the reader here. Go and double click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, which you need to agree to, and this will then go and open up. Now, as you can see, the Adobe Acrobat Reader is now downloading. So all you need to do is go and wait here. You're going to go and see the progress bar here. You can see it's on 6%. The time this takes will go and depend upon your internet speed. So go and be patient and wait for this to go and complete. When it's gone and finished, you can go and press finish over to the right. And we can then go and set it so Adobe Acrobat is going to be used when we go and open a PDF, and you can press set default and it's now installed. So I can come and close out of this. And it's going to go and open up, as you can see. And now when we go and open up a PDF, Adobe Acrobat is going to go and be used. It's that simple. Just to give you a quick example, I've gone and found a PDF. If I go and double click on it, Adobe Acrobat is going to go and be used to go and open it. As you can see, here it is. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more how-tos like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with more guides in the future just like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out.